Hi friends, welcome to Rajshri Fashions. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்துட்டு பனாரசி சில்க் சாரீஸ் வெட்டிங் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறேன். அதில் வந்து 27 டிசைன்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஆல் சிங்கிள் பீசஸ். ஸோ யார் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆர்டர் கொடுத்தா அவருக்கு தான் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாரீஸ் வரும். ஸோ ஆல் லிமிட்டெட் ஸ்டாக், only single piece in stock. Just take the screenshot and number given below and WhatsApp this with the design number. So this all are full main for the bridal collection and wedding sarees. So just come and have a look of this sarees. This first saree in green color with Banarasi silk saree, soft zari weaving, and you can see the saree with the motifs inside and the zari border, full weaving saree, just for 1500 rupees. Rich pallu and this all saree single piece in stock. Next saree in red color with full zari weaving and small booty all over saree and rich pallu, just for 1500 rupees. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree in green color, it's a new design, just for 1500 rupees. This all exclusive collections and rich pallu, just for 1500 rupees. Just take the screenshot with the design number and WhatsApp the number given below. This all wedding collections, and this will be the running blouse and full heavy sarees, just for 1500 rupees. Next design number 1004 in pink color with meenakari zari weaving, and this will be the rich pallu, just for 1500 rupees. And blouse will be running plain blouse. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below, and if you like the video, share in your friends and family so we can get more collections. Next saree in dual shade pink with red, rich pallu, just for 1500 rupees. And you can see the design, it's in full designer saree and lightweight and soft silk saree with full heavy border, and this will be the blouse of the saree. Next saree in green color, full heavy jal all over the saree. With the rich pallu. This all saree single piece in stock. So those who order first, they can get that first saree. And this will be the blouse of the saree in brocade fabric. Just for 1500 rupees. This all are single piece in stock. Next saree in pink color. With the rich pallu and full meenakari jari weaving saree. This all wedding collections just for 1500 rupees. This color is a pink color. And the blouse will be plain running blouse with the border. Design number 1007. Next saree in green color. Rich pallu. Just for 1500 rupees. Just take the screenshot with the design number and WhatsApp the number given below. These are all pure Banarasi soft silk with jari weaving, and the blouse will be running blouse. This all are exclusive collection. Next saree, design number 1009 in pink color shade. Border saree, rich border with heavy pallu. Saree all over full weaving, jari weaving. This all are new collections for the this wedding season. And this will be the plain running blouse. Just for 1500 rupees. Single piece in stock. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree in green color. Rich pallu and border. You can see the design very close up and very neat design. Just single piece in stock, and blouse will be in the contrast brocade blouse. Next saree, in reddish pink color with full jari weaving and soft Banarasi silk saree, just for 1500 rupees. Rich pallu. This will be the blouse of saree. Next saree in red color, reddish pink color saree. rich pallu and soft silk Banarasi saree just for 1500 rupees. Pink color saree. Design number 1012. Just take screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree. With full self with jari weaving and heavy pallu just for 1500 rupees. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. With the plain blouse, running blouse. These all are new collection for the wedding season, just for 1500 rupees, and all are single piece in stock. Next design in stripe design, cross stripe with heavy pallu border and rich pallu, just for 1500 rupees. Color is a pink color. With brocade blouse, contrast blouse. Next design number 1016. With heavy pallu. This pink color saree with downside mango design and full all over heavy work saree and brocade blouse, just for 1500 rupees. Next saree in red color with rich pallu. Heavy border saree, just for 1500 rupees. Just take the screenshot with the design number and WhatsApp the number given, and these all are single piece in stock, so those who order first, they can get first this saree. And this will be the plain running blouse. Rich pallu, design number 1018 in red color. Next design number 1019, another in red color saree with heavy border, just for 1500 rupees. And rich pallu with full jari weaving and very soft silk and lightweight saree. This all wedding collection, just for 1500 rupees. Next design 1020 in red color saree. It's a unique design with rich pallu and heavy border, just for 1500 rupees. Just take the screenshot with the design number and WhatsApp the number given there. These all are single piece in stock, and these all bridal collections. Design number 1021 in red color saree. With all over full zari weaving and rich pallu, just for 1500 rupees. With the running blouse. Next design 1022. The fabric will be soft zari weaving, Banarasi silk saree. With Paithani style pallu. Next design 1023 in red color. With flower design in the border and rich pallu. Just for 1500 rupees. With the matching blouse. Next design 1024 with small booty Meenakari zari weaving with rich pallu, just for 1500 rupees with heavy border. Design number 1025 red color saree. With rich pallu and heavy border, just for 1500 rupees. This all are for bridal and wedding collection. Only single piece in stock. Just take the screenshot and number given below. WhatsApp the design number. Design number 1026, another design in red color. With the rich pallu. Design number 1027 with mango design in the border with rich pallu with contrast golden brocade blouse. So today we are seeing 27 designs and all are new designs for the wedding collection. So please have a look and just take the screenshot with the design number and WhatsApp the number given below. Thank you.